Guys, in 1 minute or so I'm going to tell you how you can delete any Facebook page. So now each page has its own profile. So you see I have this one checked. I want to delete this page. Let me just click on this one. It will bring you to your page that you want to delete. So over here, once you go over to the manage page, over on this side you have to move down and go to settings. Once you click on settings, here you have to move down and come up to the option where it says access and control. So you will have to click on this one, and it will take you to all these options. Here you can deactivate your page, and it says it's temporary. You can unpublish your page. This is also temporary. And then final option is to delete the page. This is permanent, and it says you won't be able to retrieve your content or information you shared on Facebook as this page. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So it basically erases the page from Facebook. I have to do this one, so I'll click on continue. Now it's giving me option to transfer my content or download the info. I'm not willing to do any of that, so I'll click on continue. Now I have to put the password, then I click on continue, and after that it gives me confirm permanent page deletion. And yes, I want to delete it permanently, but it says you have 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel the deletion. So if you change your mind, I'll click on delete page, and I hope it will take me back to my profile. Okay guys, so it deleted my page and now I am on another page, but that's basically how you delete your page from Facebook.